Kolkata, the capital of West Bengal, is also known as City of Joy. In dynamic world today's where everything is getting modernized every day, but Kolkata still manages to hold on to the old charm vibe. It is the only city in India where we can see the various modes of transportation from the time of British era. We can still see the tram cars and hand-pulled rickshaws playing on the narrow islands of Kolkata. In British time, rickshaw was called gin rickshaw, means a small two-vehicle passenger vehicle drawn by one or two people.
Inefficient wooden-wheeled hand-pulled rickshaws were independently invented in Japan circa in 1969. The same old hand-pulled rickshaw can still be seen in City of Joy, Calcutta, now Kolkata. Like Victoria Memorial, tram cars and Howrah Bridge, the hand-pulled rickshaw is one of the Kolkata's most well-recognized symbols. Hand-pulled rickshaws has been playing the street of the City of Joy since the end of the 19th century. Initially, the hand-pulled rickshaw became a way for the middle and the upper classes to show their status. Thus, this means of transport also became representative of social classes. In 1953, Vimas Roy's film Do Bigha Jamin portrayed the story of a poor farmer compelled to leave his village and become a Tana rickshawala in the City of Joy, Kolkata. Irrespective of the age, this profession is bread and butter for some people. It seems inhuman that a human pulling a human. But some people are involved in this profession for 40 to 50 years. And they also don't have much means or resources to think something new. So in this fast moving world of technology, I choose a rickshaw this time, where I could feel a conversation that took me to old times. There is really no doubt that technology of life now is as easy on a click. But the aura of traveling is missing somewhere. It seems after 130 years, an era is going to end. After 2-3 years, we will find this hand-pulled rickshaw in some museum. Hope that the rickshaw pullers get a good means of earning. I hope you have liked my videos. Don't forget to like and subscribe so that I can bring some more for you. Thank you.